we're going to be playing a version of Squid Games with the students, paired with action verbs. It goes really well, and it lasts like 10 to 20 minutes, so you can do it fast. But we're going to get going here because they're ready to go. All right, so remember, when I say go, you go. When I say stop, stop. Okay, everybody stand up. Okay, number one, we are going to walk slow. Walk slow. Okay, are you ready? Go. Stop. Oh, Mina. Bye. Go. Stop. Okay, are we ready? Number two. Okay, this time we will jump. We will jump. Okay? Are you ready? What? All right. And go. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Go. Stop. Go. All right, boys, we will run. Run fast, okay? Hey, are you ready? Ready? Can I get a zoo? Zoo! All right, here we go. Go! Stop! Best! You're too fast, Best. Go! Stop! Go! Stop! Go! Stop! Go! Okay, girls, we are running, okay? Okay. Are you ready? Can I get a ooh, ooh? All right. Ready, go! Stop! Bonus! Yui! Awesome! Go! Stop! Go! Stop! Disney! Tara! Go! Go! Stop! Go! Okay, everybody, we are going to spin. Okay? Slow. Slow. Can I get a oh yeah? Oh yeah. All right, go. Stop. Go. Stop. Dizzy? All right, go. Stop. 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 Go. Stop. Jalkoon, what? Get out of here. Go. Stop. Was that good, Panther? Yeah. Good bonus? Yeah. Okay. Go. Good, Mina? Hi.